These vehicles are more than just family transport, they're changing the game. But which SUVs truly lead the pack? Volvo XC90 2024. Starting at $57,195, the 2024 Volvo XC90 is a leader in the luxury SUV segment, offering both style and advanced safety features. Its powertrain includes a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a plug-in hybrid system, producing up to 455 horsepower. With an impressive 58 mpg in hybrid mode, it's designed to offer performance without sacrificing efficiency. Inside, the XC90 delivers a minimalist yet luxurious feel. High-quality materials such as Napa leather, open-pore wood, and metal accents create a refined atmosphere. The spacious cabin can comfortably seat 7 passengers, with a third row that is larger than most in the segment. Its 85.7 cubic feet of maximum cargo space ensures plenty of room for family gear, whether for road trips or daily commutes. On the exterior, the XC90 boasts a modern, Scandinavian-inspired design. Its signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights and clean lines give it an understated elegance that stands out without being flashy. Volvo's advanced safety features like Pilot Assist and 360-degree camera make it a great choice for families prioritizing safety and peace of mind. But how does Volvo's Scandinavian simplicity compare to something a bit sportier? Ford Explorer 2024. Starting at $37,805, the 2024 Ford Explorer combines rugged versatility with family-friendly features, making it a popular choice for adventurous families. It offers several powertrain options, including a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine producing 300 horsepower and a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 for those seeking extra power. The hybrid version delivers impressive fuel efficiency, reaching up to 27 mpg in combined driving. The interior of the Ford Explorer is designed with practicality and comfort in mind. It can seat 7 passengers with ease, and the second row has a sliding feature for better access to the third row. Although the third row is slightly tighter, it's still manageable for kids or shorter trips. Tech-savvy families will appreciate the Sync 4 infotainment system with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. On the outside, the Explorer maintains a tough yet modern appearance, featuring LED lighting, bold grille options, and available 20-inch wheels for a sportier look. With up to 87.8 cubic feet of cargo space, the Explorer can easily accommodate camping gear, strollers, or sports equipment. It also has a maximum towing capacity of 5,600 pounds, making it a great option for families with trailers or boats. But if you're looking for something with a bit more refinement, how about we check out the Chevrolet Traverse? Chevrolet Traverse 2024. Starting at $35,915, the 2024 Chevrolet Traverse is a spacious and practical SUV designed for families who need more room without compromising on comfort. Its 3.6-liter V6 engine produces 310 horsepower, giving it plenty of power for highway driving and quick acceleration. With a 9-speed automatic transmission, it provides smooth shifts and easy handling, making long family drives a breeze. Inside, the Traverse shines with an impactful interior that offers seating for up to 8 passengers. The third row is adult-friendly, which is a rare find in this class. Cargo capacity is a standout feature, with 98.2 cubic feet available when the second and third rows are folded flat. Family-friendly tech includes an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and available Wi-Fi hotspot capability. The Traverse's exterior design is both bold and refined, featuring sleek lines, LED headlights, and a strong front grille that gives it an imposing presence on the road. It's also loaded with safety features like forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist, making it a safe choice for families on the go. Now, what if you want a bit more luxury and tech features in your family SUV? Mazda CX-90 2024. Starting at $39,595, the 2024 Mazda CX-90 stands out with its premium feel and sporty handling, making it a great pick for families who want a more engaging driving experience. Powered by a turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-6 engine, the CX-90 produces up to 340 horsepower, providing a smooth, responsive ride that Mazda is known for. There's also a plug-in hybrid version, offering more eco-friendly options for families. Inside, the CX-90 doesn't hold back on luxury. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality materials such as genuine leather, wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents. It seats 7 passengers across 3 rows, with the third row best suited for children. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless charging, and advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring cater to tech-focused families. The exterior design of the CX-90 is elegant and streamlined, with Mazda's signature Kodo design language giving it a sophisticated look. LED lighting and available 21-inch wheels enhance its upscale appearance. Though its third row is slightly smaller, its agile handling and luxurious interior make it ideal for families who prioritize style and driving dynamics. Honda Pilot 2024. Starting at $39,150, the 2024 Honda Pilot has undergone a significant redesign, offering more rugged styling and an even larger interior. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine delivering 285 horsepower, it provides a smooth and dependable driving experience. Its 9-speed automatic transmission enhances the driving dynamics, making it ideal for both city commuting and long road trips. The Honda Pilot comfortably seats 8 passengers, and the second-row seats can slide forward to allow easy access to the spacious third row. With 109.2 cubic feet of cargo space when the second and third rows are folded flat, it's perfect for larger families who need to haul everything from groceries to camping gear. Inside, the Pilot is equipped with family-friendly features such as a 9-inch infotainment display, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, plus multiple USB ports spread throughout the cabin to keep everyone connected. On the exterior, the new, bolder design includes a more aggressive grille and chunkier body lines, giving it a tougher SUV presence. It's packed with Honda's renowned safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, and lane keeping assist, making it one of the safest choices for families on the road. But what about something even more luxurious? Toyota Highlander 2023. Starting at $36,620, the 2023 Toyota Highlander offers a combination of reliability, comfort, and fuel efficiency, making it an ideal family vehicle. Under the hood, it features a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 265 horsepower. For eco-conscious families, the Highlander hybrid option delivers an outstanding 36 mpg combined, one of the best in its class. The Highlander seats up to 8 passengers and boasts a well-designed interior with premium materials and thoughtful storage solutions. The second row can either be a bench seat or captain's chairs, depending on the trim level. The third row, while a bit tighter, is still functional for kids or shorter adults. With 84.3 cubic feet of cargo space, there's plenty of room for strollers, sports equipment, or luggage. The infotainment system features a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a JBL premium sound system in higher trims. On the exterior, the Highlander's sleek and modern design is enhanced by its aggressive front grille and available LED headlights. Toyota's suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, makes it one of the most secure options for families. Hyundai Palisade 2023. Starting at $36,885, the 2023 Hyundai Palisade delivers a premium feel at an affordable price, making it a top choice for families looking for a high-end experience without breaking the bank. It's powered by a 3.8-liter V6 engine that produces 291 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth shifts and a comfortable ride. The Palisade's interior is one of the most luxurious in its class, offering quilted Napa leather seating, heated and ventilated seats, and an available dual-pane sunroof. It seats 7 to 8 passengers, depending on whether you opt for the second-row captain's chairs. Families will appreciate the Palisade's class-leading 86.4 cubic feet of cargo space, as well as clever storage options like underfloor compartments. Tech features are abundant, including a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, wireless charging, and the ability to connect 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously. The exterior of the Palisade is bold and stylish, with a distinctive front grille and striking LED lighting. It also comes packed with Hyundai's SmartSense safety suite, including features like blind spot collision avoidance, rear cross traffic alert, and safe exit assist, making it a fantastic choice for family road trips. But can any of these options beat the Kia Telluride? Let's find out. Kia Telluride 2023. Starting at $37,255, the 2023 Kia Telluride has become one of the most beloved family SUVs on the market. Known for its combination of luxury, spaciousness, and affordability, the Telluride is powered by a 3.8-liter V6 engine that produces 291 horsepower, delivering plenty of punch while maintaining a smooth ride. Inside, the Telluride offers a roomy cabin with seating for up to 8 passengers. The materials feel upscale with soft-touch surfaces, faux wood accents, and available leather upholstery. Even the third row is spacious enough for adults, and the cargo area is generous, providing up to 87 cubic feet of space with the seats folded down. The Telluride also boasts an impressive infotainment system, featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and plenty of USB ports to keep everyone connected. Rear passengers can also enjoy available heated and ventilated seats. Externally, the Telluride has a bold, boxy design that gives it a commanding presence on the road. Its standard safety features include forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, making it an incredibly family-friendly option. Which of these SUVs would be the perfect fit for your family? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching.